everybody, my name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Today we are making boneless chicken with lemon asparagus and I have all my things ready. Do you have yours? All right, like I always say, let's get cooking. All right, my butter is in my skillet and it is already melted and it's starting to bubble. So what we're going to do is we are going to take our seasoning for our chicken and we're just going to cover it up. And also, it's really simple. We're going to cook this chicken in the skillet. We're not going to stack it too high because we don't want the chicken to steam. We want it to cook. And then as it cooks, we'll flip it and I am going to take it out, put it in another bowl just to set it on the side while we get the asparagus going. So, all right, our chicken is done, so we're gonna go ahead and get this out. Then we are going to add the last of our garlic, which is 1 clove. We're going to add about 1/4 cup of wine to deglaze. We're going to add the rest of our butter. We're going to add the juice from 1/2 lemon. Gonna add our Sriracha. And mix this all up. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of fresh parsley. All right. Now all we have left to do is put our asparagus in. And we're just gonna lay our asparagus like that. Then we're gonna cover it and cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes and then check it and we'll see how that goes. Almost forgot. That was the chicken broth. All right, so now we're just going to let it cook. I'm gonna set the timer. I'll be back in about 10 minutes. All right, our asparagus is all done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just kind of push it to the side. And then we're gonna take our chicken and I believe a little bit more parsley, and there you go. I love making things pretty. Oh, it smells so good. That is our boneless chicken bites. We have lemon, asparagus, lots of butter. I'm going to plate it up and see you here in just a few. All right, we are done and it smells so good. Here is our plate. It's all pretty. And I get to taste. Let's eat a piece of chicken. Oh my. That's really good. Let's get a knife. Let's cut a piece of asparagus. That is really good. That's dinner tonight. Well, that was really fun, fast, and we got to cook it in our really neat cast iron pan. We've been doing lots of cast iron cooking, so check them out on our blog at www.thehappiestcookblog. That's where I am, and all of my really great recipes are there. You're welcome. I would love for you to stop by, make comments, let me know what you think, and I guess I'll see you next time here on The Happiest Cook. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.